Ever wondered how ordinary individuals transform their lives from rags to riches, defying all odds? Today, we embark on a captivating journey through 10 awe-inspiring stories of triumph over adversity. From the iconic Oprah Winfrey's astounding rise to the resilient spirit of J.K. Rowling, these tales will leave you in awe of human potential. So don't click away just yet. Each story holds invaluable lessons and inspiration that might spark a transformation in your own life. Stick around till the end and let's dive into these remarkable narratives together. 10. Leonardo Vetto, born in Milan, Italy in 1935. Leonardo Vetto's early years were marked by adversity. Orphaned at a young age, he honed his skills as an apprentice to a tool and die maker. Through hard work and determination, he earned an art school scholarship while working at a factory during the day. Recognizing the demand for eyeglasses, he founded his own studio, eventually creating Luxottica, a brand that now encompasses renowned names like Ray-Ban and Prada. With an estimated net worth of $22.6 billion, Del Vecchio's story is a testament to the power of perseverance. 9. Peter Dinklage. Known for his iconic portrayal of Tyrion Lannister in Game of Thrones, Peter Dinklage's path to success was paved with challenges. Hailing from a modest background in New Jersey, he pursued his dreams of acting despite financial struggles. Graduating with a student loan debt, Dinklage navigated a series of odd jobs before securing a role that marked the turning point in his career. His words resonate with aspiring artists. Don't search for defining moments. They will never come. Don't wait until they tell you you're ready. Get in there. I waited a long time out in the world before I gave myself permission to fail. Please, don't even bother asking. Don't bother telling the world you are ready. Show it. Do it. 8. Wan Chang. Wan Chang's journey to success began with humble beginnings in South Korea. Moving to the United States in 1981, he worked tirelessly, juggling multiple jobs, including washing dishes in a coffee shop and working at a gas station. Observing a pattern in successful individuals in the clothing industry, Chang immersed himself in learning the trade. With a meager saving of $11,000, he opened the first Fashion 21 store, which would later become the globally recognized brand Forever 21. Through resilience and entrepreneurial spirit, Chang's net worth now stands at $3.1 billion. 7. Magnus Walker. From the punk rock scene of Sheffield, England, Magnus Walker's journey to success was far from conventional. Determined to fulfill his dream of owning a Porsche, Walker embarked on a journey that led him to Los Angeles. His entrepreneurial spirit shone as he ventured into selling vintage clothing, ultimately creating the renowned Sirius clothing brand. With a knack for style, Walker's business ventures, including his personal Porsche collection, have amassed a value of $7.5 million. 6. Ingvar Kamprad. Ingvar Kamprad's story is a testament to the power of ingenuity and determination. Born into a humble farming family in Sweden, Kamprad's early years were marked by entrepreneurial endeavors. From selling matches to peddling Christmas decorations, overcoming dyslexia, he founded IKEA, revolutionizing the furniture industry by offering affordable, minimalist designs. Kamprad's legacy lives on, with IKEA boasting over 350 stores worldwide, and his net worth at the time of his passing reaches $58.7 billion. 5. Oprah Winfrey. Oprah Winfrey's remarkable journey from a small town in Mississippi to becoming a media mogul is a testament to the strength of the human spirit. Born to a teenage single mother, she faced unimaginable hardships, including abuse and early motherhood. Despite these challenges, Oprah's intelligence and determination shone through, earning her a scholarship and a path to a groundbreaking career in media. Her story is a beacon of hope, showcasing how resilience and empathy can lead to a net worth of $2.7 billion. 4. John D. Rockefeller. John D. Rockefeller, a name synonymous with immense wealth, rose from the depths of poverty to become one of the most influential figures in American business history. Growing up in meager circumstances, Rockefeller demonstrated an extraordinary knack for business early on. Remarkably, at the tender age of 16, he assumed the role of a bookkeeper. It was this very aptitude that led Rockefeller to recognize the untapped potential within the burgeoning oil industry. Seizing the opportunity, he founded Standard Oil, a venture that would ultimately catapult him to the coveted title of the world's first billionaire. His acumen and strategic maneuvering in the oil sector were nothing short of legendary. As the years progressed, Rockefeller's empire expanded exponentially, exerting a profound influence on the nation's economic landscape. By the time of his passing, his formidable assets accounted for a staggering 1.5% of the entire United States economy. This staggering figure attests not only to his financial prowess, but also to the indelible mark he left on the annals of American business history. 3. Gabrielle Chanel. Gabrielle Coco Chanel's odyssey from the confines of an orphanage in France to the pinnacle of the fashion world is a saga of unyielding tenacity and boundless creativity. Confronted with the stringent societal norms that sought to confine women to prescribed roles, Chanel defied expectations at every turn. Drawing on her early training as a seamstress, she harnessed her innate talent to navigate the world of the elite. Moreover, her mesmerizing voice, honed during her days as a singer, added an enchanting dimension to her persona. Through sheer determination, she shattered the barriers that stood in her way. Chanel's foray into the realm of fashion marked a seismic shift. Her designs, a stark departure from the opulent excesses of the era, championed simplicity and comfort. This audacious departure revolutionized the fashion landscape, laying the foundation for a brand that now stands as the epitome of luxury. Today, the legacy of Coco Chanel is not only etched in the annals of fashion history, but it is also a global symbol of opulence and refinement. The current custodians of the Chanel empire command a staggering wealth of $19 billion, a testament to the enduring influence of this trailblazing icon. 2. Libo Gugulethu. Libo Gugulethu's story is one of unwavering determination against all odds. Growing up in one of Port Elizabeth's poorest neighborhoods after losing his father to cancer, Gugulethu's early years were marked by financial struggle. Despite facing challenges in his education, his mother's sacrifices enabled him and his siblings to attend a private school. Gugulethu's resolve to break free from poverty led him to pursue higher education in business. To support his studies, he took on a sales job. Displaying a commendable work ethic, following graduation, he founded Gugulethu Enterprises and Media, an endeavor that would eventually propel him to Rand Millionaire's status by the age of 27. In 2015, his net worth was estimated at a staggering $19 million. Today, Gugulethu serves as a mentor to other entrepreneurs on the South African version of the TV show Dragon's Den, embodying the spirit of paying it forward. As we continue this journey through inspiring rags to riches tales, it becomes evident that success predetermined path. These individuals have proven that adversity can be a catalyst for greatness. Let's now delve into the story of someone who transformed personal struggles into unparalleled success. 1. J.K. Rowling. Joanne Rowling's path to becoming the world's most successful novelist was fraught with hardships. Raised by parents facing financial difficulties, her dream of becoming a novelist was often met with skepticism. Her journey took a harrowing turn when she fled an abusive relationship as a single mother, teetering on the brink of homelessness. Relying on government assistance, Rowling summoned her inner strength to face her challenges head-on. It was in this crucible of adversity that the magical world of Harry Potter took shape. Rowling poured her heart and soul into the story that had been percolating within her for years. Despite numerous rejections, her persistence paid off. At the age of 32, Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone was published in the United Kingdom. Today, Rowling's literary empire, spanning the beloved Harry Potter series, has amassed a staggering $7.7 billion in revenue. Her personal fortune is estimated at an astounding $650 million. Her journey stands as a beacon of hope, illustrating that even in the darkest moments, the spark of creativity and determination can light the way to unimaginable success. These extraordinary individuals not only shattered the confines of their humble beginnings, but also forged paths for others to follow. Their stories are a testament to the power of perseverance, innovation, and unyielding belief in oneself. Join us in the upcoming segments as we unravel more captivating rags to riches narratives, each one a source of inspiration and a testament to the boundless potential within us all. Don't miss out on the invaluable lessons awaiting you. Stay tuned!